As you're using a drill brush, or even sometimes a hand brush, you will be slinging stuff all over. Droplets of this nasty water goes on the floor and along the doors and stuff, and anything that gets on you, So try to keep your area organized, try and keep it clean as best as you can, but always remember, more work will need to be done when the camera's off. Go back over your areas and, give everything a final wipe down. But this is why we organize our details. Do the seats in the beginning so that if it does get anywhere dirty, you're going to clean over it, and it gives the seats time to dry. I didn't capture footage of the entire van, I just focused on these few seats that had the really bad stains, but I did go through on the third row and got those seats as well extracted. I did a little bit in the trunk, and then I did a full vacuum, full basics interior wipe down on this Kia Sedona. The customer was very happy with the work, and obviously it's a very crazy transformation. I did go throughout the entire van and even did the third row seats, and I extracted a bit in the trunk, and I did a full wipe down of the interior hard bits and the dash and all that. Coming up here, we can truly step back and look at our work. Looking at these before and after clips, it's basically a brand new car. Afterwards, I wasn't able to stay until they had fully dried, but I always make sure to keep in contact with my client and make sure if they need me to follow up on anything that I can be there. In this case, everything was fine and the customer was happy at the end. Nothing came back after it was dried.